अरे
अंकुर जी नमस्ते।
नमस्ते
अंकुर
नमस्ते।
साहब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमें अपना कीमती समय देने के लिए।
और अ, आपका जो शो है कोड गोंडिया
Yes,
Z5 पे, it is
yes.
an amazing show. I have started watching it and I
Thank
would
you.
recommend it to other people who are in the group right now or will watch it later. बहुत ही कमाल का शो है Z5 पे।
Yes.
और let's start. The
Yes.
first question that I have वो है कि आपने मोनोलॉग को मन की बात से बड़ा जोड़ दिया था। मतलब कि वो
हाँ.
मोदी जी की नहीं, हमारी हाउ डज दैट कॉन्फ़िगर एक्चुअली मन की बात ही है मोनोलॉग।
Since childhood, since we take birth, हमें खुद से बात करने की आदत होती है. Everybody does that. We speak to ourselves. We talk to ourselves. Well, maybe standing in front of a mirror, maybe sitting on a couch and just just speaking to ourselves. So for me, when I started studying monologue as an expression, I thought it was a very intrapersonal journey for anyone to write what he is feeling or what she is feeling or what that person is feeling, and then presenting your own feelings in front of a chosen people is about Man Ki Baat. So what you have, if you have self-written the monologue, there might be there might be a lot of things. Why did you feel like writing a monologue? So was it like you wanted to write a diary? You wanted to speak to yourself, but you wanted to speak to yourself through words? What? It was like it is a huge form of expression. It is a form which is self-made. It is a form which is very self-reliant. It is a form which is to oneself. मैंने इसलिए कहा कि मन की बात it would be the right phrase to sum up the entire thing. Yeah. And not going political, but you very well know.
yes. इस बात से एक बात और निकलती है कि कहीं पे मैंने सुना था किसी वीडियो में, यूजुअली यूट्यूब पे जो मैं वीडियो देखता रहता हूँ, तो किसी टीचर ने ही बोला था कि डायलॉग is at one point you talking to yourself through the other person. Even in two people dialogue, you're trying to clarify what you already know or understand. तो अगर टू एक्टर सीन में भी ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, और तो मोनोलॉग में तो है ही,
बिल्कुल है.
तो हम अगर किसी से भी बात कर रहे हैं तो क्या हम अपने आप से बात कर रहे हैं? मतलब
यस, जैसे मैंने मेरे
टेक ऑन दैट,
जैसे मैंने मेरे वीडियो में भी मेंशन किया था कि if I am doing a monologue and if I am talking to myself, then there are two entities already present here, no? Me and myself. So any monologue, as I said, is a very intrapersonal journey, maybe, which comes up in a dialogue also. Maybe an actor or a set of actors talking to each other. जैसे मैंने कहा था, मोनोलॉग में जब हम एक लाइन लिखते हैं and if you ask a question at end of that line and that question is being answered by the previous line, or it is giving birth to more questions, it becomes a very intrapersonal dialogue in itself. ये साइकोलॉजिकली थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है मे बी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने कहा, जैसे अब डायलॉग आप दो एक्टर्स की बात कर रहे हो, वहां पे आपको एक रिएक्शन फैक्टर है. यू हैव अ रेसिप्रोकेटर जिससे आपको पता चल रहा है कि व्हाट आपका जो लाइन है वो कौन सी सेंस में वो ले रहा है. जैसे मैंने कहा था, इट इज 60% ऑफ रिएक्शन एंड 40% ऑफ एक्शन. मोनोलॉग में ये 60% ही एंटिसिपेटेड है, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करने वाला हूं, क्योंकि मैंने खुद ने वो दिखा है, या मैं आगे वाले एक्सप्रेशन जानता हूं या आगे वाली लाइंस जानता हूं. So that reciprocative factor eventually becomes it is anticipated. I'm not saying calculative, I'm saying anticipated. Calculated becomes a very different thing altogether. But with the beauty of a monologue, what I feel is, जैसे मैंने फ्रेम्स किया था, मैंने एक हिंदी फिल्म हिंदी प्ले किया था जिसमें 5 कैरेक्टर्स थे, and those 5 characters were 16 minutes of monologue each. Correct? So they telling the audience what happened in their life through their monologue. So those 5 characters were written by Gitanjali, and she used to perform 3 of them. So we were in a workshop process where we were studying this thing called characterization. So what I did was, what I used to give her some exercises was that you have to create your own characters, write their backstories, write their diaries, create them in such a way that give a socio-economical, political reflection on the entire audience. They have their own socio-political, economical, financial thoughts. They have their own outlook. They have their own figure कि वो कैसे दिखेंगे, क्या पहनेंगे, क्या पहनते होंगे, उनके माँ का नाम, उनके पापा का नाम, अगर भाई बहन हो तो उनके नाम, उनका वो कैरेक्टर के उनके साथ होने वाला रिलेशन. सी व्हेन सो ये प्रोसेस करते हुए हुआ ये कि इतनी 5 ब्यूटीफुल कैरेक्टर्स को उसने जन्म दिया कि they were see, one was a character who opposed shaving off her head after her husband's death, pre-independence. Yeah, she was Swanandi. Then there was Radhika, who was a VP of a MNC, and she was blamed for not having a kid, but her husband's sperm count was less, and he was not getting it tested, and he hit her one day, and she decided to get an IVF, and she got pregnant, and she separated from him, and she lived a single mother's life. There was this one rape victim who decides to get married. There was another one, a lesbian couple, who decide to get married. They adopt a girl. They adopt a girl child. So, and the fifth one was a 47-year-old lady who decides to get graduated at the age of 47. So by the time she's 50, by the time she's 50, she graduates. And how she?
So one person has done all the roles. Teen role Gitanjali ne kiya.
Yes, 2 people used to perform them. Yes, 2 actors. 3 गीतांजलि करती थी, उसमें से 2 मयूरा करके एक लड़की थी, वो करती थी. So मैंने ये थोड़ा सा ये किया कि this can be a beautiful exercise for yourself if you want to get into a very beautiful thing called monologue. See, शेक्सपियर ने एक मोनोलॉग लिखा है, या फिर किसी राइटर ने एक मोनोलॉग लिखा है, वो परफॉर्म हम कर रहे हैं, बिल्कुल कर रहे हो. लेकिन अगर आप खुद का मोनोलॉग लिखना चाहते हो, तो उसकी जो इन-डेप्थ इंट्रिकसीज है, वो सिर्फ आप जान पाओगे, क्योंकि that world of make believe would be entirely created by only you.
So you recommend actors कि ये try करते रहना चाहिए?
Yes. As an actor, the people who are present here, I would like to ask them, what do you mean by an actor? What do you mean by an actor? क्या acting क्या है?
गोकुल,
ये जिसके यहाँ से आवाज आ रही है वो प्लीज म्यूट कर दें.
For you guys, what is acting? Acting मतलब क्या है?
एक्टिंग सर मेरे लिए एक्टिंग जितना मैंने पढ़ा है, जितना मैंने देखा है, सीखा है, तो एक्टिंग मेरे लिए एक रिएक्शन है. जो एक्शन सामने वाले से कुछ भी हमें मिलता है तो उसका जो रिएक्शन होता है वो है. और एक्टिंग किसी चीज को जब हम पोर्ट्रे करते हैं, किसी कैरेक्टर को जब हम पोर्ट्रे करते हैं, मतलब किसी बंदे की लाइफ को जब हम जीते हैं, तो उस प्रोसेस में जिस जिस चीजों को हम करते हैं वो सब एक्टिंग है। मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि फाइनल प्रोडक्ट ही एक्टिंग है, उन सब चीजों को जो भी हम करते हैं वो भी एक्टिंग है। और एक्टिंग सबसे बड़ी बात सर मुझे लगती है कि एक्टिंग करना है, कि हम मतलब बस वही कि रिएक्शन, किसी भी एक्शन के बदले रिएक्शन करना, मुझे ये लगता है सर ऑनेस्टली।
ओके, एनीवन एल्स?
और काफी लोग हैं, रिया है, मयंक है, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग?
रिया
I'll repeat my question. What do you mean by acting? What does acting mean to you?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है acting is just living but a different life, something that's not yours, a different story. And that's
so who's asking this question? Can I know?
Riya.
It's me, Riya.
Yeah. So Riya, my question going further would be, if it is not a story, correct? If it is not a story, wouldn't that be acting?
I believe that somebody's fiction is somebody else's reality. That's what I believe. So
reality.
Yeah, so it is a reality that you have to, because unless and until I personally feel that you accept that it's real and it's happening, how will you feel those emotions that you're supposed to portray? So you have to make it real, even if it's just in your head.
Okay, so Riya is taking me into a different jungle altogether.
Yeah,
a different. Riya, can you tell me what is real for you?
Hello.
Hello, Riya, you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell me what is reality for you?
Reality. That's a tough question to answer.
Absolutely, it is.
Because what we perceive may not always be real, and
anything which you perceive can never be reality. Anything perceived by any individual can never be reality, but it can just be surreality. It can be altered reality. Nothing in this world can be real because it depends on my own perception.
Exactly.
If we give marks to the perspective aspect of what you're talking, एकदम टेंशन में.
So again, नहीं मैं
जीत also wanted.
ये actually बहुत ज़्यादा, I think it's a very different topic, not just slightly different.
So coming back to my point, Sonu ji,
वो जो सवाल जो अंकुर ने पूछा था,
yes,
उसको एक बार repeat कर दो.
I will ask again. What is acting for you? I'll tell you. When I study a certain character, there is a beautiful book by Seedfield called as The Screenplay.
Yeah.
Okay. It has got a very beautiful chapter in that. It's the third chapter, I suppose. It is called character. Correct? Each character has 3 layers: personal, private, professional. When you start knowing the dynamics of personal, private, and professional of a character, things become easy for you as an actor and as an actor to put the things or to tell a story through a medium. What is an actor to me? Actor is my most mediums. The story I want myself to tell is being portrayed by a set of people who are actors. That does not mean it becomes puppetry. No, it is not puppetry. It is a very mutual exchange of thoughts happening to reach a certain goal. Correct. Now, when I come to monologues, why do I feel that these monologues are a beautiful in general? I think if you yourself have written this monologue, it's original. It's yours. It is very original. It belongs to you. You would be most sincere about performing this monologue because it's yours. It is only you who understands the in-depth intricacies of a certain monologue. Yes, if you have adapted a monologue like from a play, a Victorian English play maybe या हिंदी play जो भी है, उस पे एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग का लेबल खुद से लग जाता है कि मैंने ये मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से ये मोनोलॉग पढ़ के मैंने परफॉर्म किया है. सो गोकुल ने मुझे ये पहले पूछा था. सो बेसिकली दिस इज व्हाट आई फील कि ये है. एंड सोनू जी, मी knowing Sonu ji as a writer and a performer, I would like to share one of my thoughts here for monologues. If you guys can avoid heavy words in a monologue, very poetic. I'm not saying don't be poetic. I'm not saying don't be poetic. I'm saying जितना easy उसको कर पाओ. आप ये monologue क्यों perform कर रहे हो? खुद के लिए. तो मिरर के सामने खड़े होके करोगे. करेक्ट करेक्ट. लेकिन आपकी ये भी तो इच्छा है ना कि लोग देखें.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
रिएक्ट करें. मुझे अगर समझ में नहीं आएगा तो मैं क्या घंटा रिएक्ट करूंगा? इजी. प्राइमरीली मेक इट इजी. क्या है हमारे थिएटर में देयर इज दिस थिंग कॉल्ड कि जितना समझेगा नहीं ना ये प्ले क्या है वो मस्त है. ऐसा नहीं है भाई. आई एम अ पर्सन, इफ अगर ऐसा प्ले मैं देखता हूं तो मुझे वो प्ले 4 बार देखने के बाद भी समझ में नहीं आता है. I am not against abstract. I am not against abstract theater. My point is when जो समझो बाद में abstract पे जाना ही है. So make it simple, keep it simple. अगर आप वो frames के भी ये देखोगे ना, I have the scripts. इतना simple लिखा हुआ था कि कोई एक layman भी सामने बैठे ना तो वो emotionally connect हो जाता था. Oh, we have 10 minutes to go. Quick questions.
I have a question. Sorry, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. एक चीज मैंने रियलाइज किया है अबाउट रिएक्शन. यू सेड कि आप चाहोगे कि लोग रिएक्ट करें आपके मोनोलॉग पे. तो अगर मतलब टेक्स्ट कैसा भी है, if I take some time to start it, like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, a little less energy, I might be acting well, but I see that there is very less reaction to something which may not capture you instantly. If a person takes 5 seconds to start or get in, ऐसे करते कोई नहीं देखता वो.
Correct.
So
Correct.
do you recommend that we should have higher energy even for scenes where it is not required? Maybe अगर बहुत ही sad सा scene है तो वो बहुत dull होता है तो लोग देखते नहीं है उसको. तो how is this problem tackled in a film or a TV show or whatever? How as a director you tackle this?
Believe your director.
पर हमारे पास डायरेक्टर नहीं है ना, खुद ही कर रहे हैं.
हाँ. So believe a director in you.
तो मेरा पर्सनल ये है कि I will have to reach the audience with the message. So it cannot be with very dull energy. It has to be alive. I don't know.
यार मतलब
Makes sense.
मतलब वही जो अंकुर कह रहा है वो ये है कि अंकुर सर जो कह रहे हैं कि take risks by believing in yourself when you're directing your monologue. Take that risk. मैं ये मानता हूँ कि adding to what Ankur sir has said कि believability तभी आती है when your intent is matching the content. The intent is in your eyes. I've also watched a couple of episodes. मतलब start किया है to watch गोंडिया आला रे है. तो उसमें ना एक बात मैंने ये notice की थी. There's a lot of action without words. There is a lot of movement.
Yes.
एक हम physical theater भी करते हैं because it's a period piece. So there's a lot of movement in it without expressing anything through words. There are
Yes.
so many times when you see actors communicating with each other. वो एक जगह वो भाग रहे हैं और बंदा छुप रहा है, उसको बस इन नजरों से देखा and then he moves out of the frame. That was such a beautiful moment. I can't remember which episode it was. Such a beautiful moment. और वो बस मतलब there's such a lot of communication. So what he said, adding on to Ankur sir, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं because when he said believe in the director, so you have to believe in the conviction of the scene. Even when you are directing yourself for a monologue. तो वो मेरे को बहुत खूबसूरत चीज लगी थी. Then which really means is कि if you're क्या बोलते हैं, एक बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग एक्सरसाइज थी है, और मैं फटाफट रैप करूंगा. मार्लन ब्रांडो उसमें थे amongst a lot of students. तो टीचर ने बोला कि you all are chickens. तो चिकन बन के घूम रहे थे. इसने बोला कि बॉम्ब गिर रहा है. सारे स्टूडेंट अफरा तफरी में इधर उधर भागे. ब्रांडो बस वहीं पे एक जगह बैठ गए आराम से. तो उनसे पूछा ऐसा क्यों किया, तो बोले कि यार मुर्गे को कौन सा पता है बम गिर रहा है.
Very
इट्स
true.
वेरी फेमस. गूगल करोगे तो मिल जाएगा. सो वही है कि ही बिलीव्ड इन हिज एग्जिस्टेंस. तो आप चुप भी बैठोगे इधर उधर देखोगे तो लोगों को लगेगा, देखने वाले को, फ्रॉम अ कमर्शियल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, हाँ ही इज वेटिंग फॉर समथिंग. So then energy does not matter because then it has to go into the scene.
Then see, talking about energy also, no, there can be a crescendo to things, no. Sonu ji, you can pull me into a scene, no. पहले मेरा हाथ पकड़ो, है ना, मुझे देखो, tell me what you're talking about, pull me into the scene, और वो एक ऐसे crescendo पे ले जाओ जहाँ पे then it is point of no turning back for me.
Yeah.
Point of no return है वो तो वो भी एक crescendo हो सकता है ना. Yes, anyone else? Quickly.
Okay, quickly, next, whoever has a question.
रितुल ने अपना हाथ खड़ा किया था.
रितुल.
हाँ सर. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन अंकुर सर से है कि एज अ फिल्म पर्सन आप क्या प्रेफर करते हो कि कैरेक्टर का एक काउंटर मास्क होना मोनोलॉग में जरूरी है, कि अगर कैरेक्टर है तो उसका काउंटर मास्क ना हो, मतलब उसकी जर्नी ना हो, वो चेंज ना हो रहा हो. तो आप एज अ फिल्म पर्सन आप कौन से मोनोलॉग पसंद करते हो जिसमें वो चेंज हो रहा है कि नहीं चेंज हो रहा है?
नहीं, this is a very relative question. Can I know your name, please?
रितुल सिंह.
हाँ, yeah. So this is a very relative question, I suppose. What journey of an emotion or a feeling that monologue is taking me to? जहाँ पे character transform हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है does not matter to me if convincingly that thing which as an actor or a character you want to put forth is coming very clearly in front of me and it is giving me an experience of a journey. I don't mind character transforming or not transforming, as far as you are taking it into consideration कि ये जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, this is a transforming character or not transforming character, but I am being honest to what a character I have created or I am doing. See, this is a world of make believe, है ना. यहाँ पे कुछ रियल नहीं है. Everything is surreal. Correct.
Right.
There is, for me as a filmmaker or as a theater director, there is nothing. अब सब लोग थिएटर करते हो, फोर्थ वॉल प्रिंसिपल सब लोग जानते हैं. करेक्ट. जब मैं एक्सपेरिमेंटल प्ले कर रहा था, आई ब्रोक द फोर्थ वॉल प्रिंसिपल. मैं स्टेज से नीचे उतर के डायरेक्टली ऑडियंस के साथ इंटरेक्ट करता था. सो अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज ऑफ दैट काइंड. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि कैरेक्टर ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, एज फार एज आई एम हेल्ड ऑन टू द एंटायर मोनोलॉग.
Perfect. बहुत बढ़िया. मतलब I guess this answers it. Anyone else?
हाँ, थैंक यू सर.
Yeah, you're welcome.
और किसी का कोई सवाल है?
शायद नहीं है।
देवियों और सज्जनों,
तो मैं, अगर किसी का सवाल नहीं है तो मैं अंकुर जी से चाहूंगा कि उन्होंने उस एक्सेशन एक्सरसाइज की बात की थी इन द वीडियो, कैन यू
Yes.
टेक अस थ्रू इट एंड वी कैन एंड द सेशन देयर, because
It is very simple. It is very simple exercise. Okay. What you guys have to do is you have to prepare a monologue. Correct. Or one more thing. Let's take a step further, because now you guys are performers and aspiring actors and whatever. So मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि एक स्टेप आगे जाते हैं, प्रिपेयर अ डायलॉग। अब वो दोनों कैरेक्टर,
अंकुर जी आवाज कट रही है आपकी,
एक पॉइंट पे
बोला।
या सो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि वो एक डायलॉग प्रिपेयर कीजिए, डायलॉग बिटवीन टू पीपल। करेक्ट। अब एक पॉइंट पे जब तक वो डायलॉग खत्म नहीं होता है, आपको सिर्फ एक ही कैरेक्टर परफॉर्म करना है और एक कैरेक्टर एंटिसिपेट करना है। सो जब आपका ये डायलॉग खत्म हो जाएगा, सोनू जी आप कैसे हैं, एंड आई वेट फॉर सोनू जी टू रिएक्ट। नाउ आई हैव टू टाइम सोनू जी's रिप्लाई कि सोनू जी ये कहने वाले हैं, एंड आई रिएक्ट।
मैं अच्छा हूँ।
Now time you and this person is taking
अब वो जैसे रिएक्ट करने वाला है वो
you have already
उसका
played this. You've already played this, no? So you know
Yes.
what reactions you have given to the entire thing. Now you have to switch position. Here. Now you become the action and this becomes a reaction which is already anticipated. You know what is going to happen. So the timing thing becomes easier.
Yes.
है ना? And this gives you a very beautiful thing for the reaction thing what I was talking about.
I think ये एक्सरसाइज अगर हम करें तो बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा अगर मोनोलॉग्स में।
Yes.
It is
तो
absolutely.
तो ये करना चाहिए। तो I would recommend it to everyone and I did try it for my last monologue.
और मैं एक चीज ऐड करना चाहता हूँ। When अंकुर सर said कि ये करना चाहिए, you write your monologues and then you perform it, and the performance will be sincere because it is your own. I think also what he's trying to say is you write the monologue with equal sincerity. तो जब वो बोल रहे हैं ना, this is, मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा कोफ्त मतलब परेशानी इस बात से होती है, एक्टर्स को सबको पता है बैक स्टोरी लिखनी होती है, कोई नहीं लिखता है। पहली बात, ठीक है, आई एम नॉट प्रीचिंग, आई एम जस्ट सजेस्टिंग as an actor myself, aspiring actor, अंकुर सर काम होगा तो as an aspiring actor वो यही है कि जब आप बैक स्टोरी लिखें, तो इन्होंने बोला ना भाई बहन का भी लिखना, कितने भाई हैं कितनी बहन है, ये जो 5 कैरेक्टर्स बताए थे उनकी इतनी बहुत तगड़े कैरेक्टर्स है बाय द वे। पहली बात तो उनकी बैक स्टोरी में क्या क्या आया होगा, कैसे पला बड़ा, इतनी डिटेल में जाके, मतलब यू शुड डेडिकेट a day or two to back stories.
I want
And
Richard
that is
adding to
हाँ.
this. I not boasting about the entire process, but हर एक कैरेक्टर का 100-page book बैक स्टोरी से भरा हुआ था। Entire life
तो
journey was written. So क्या होता
exactly
था
my
ना,
point.
when the actors used to,
Exactly.
or when Gitanjali and Mayura used to perform, they had no question because they were already answered in that book.
Yes.
They were already
तो
answered in that book.
इस डिटेल में
हाँ, क्योंकि वो कि you know a lot about
या
हाँ.
मतलब जो फिर वो चाहे आप इतना सा मोनोलॉग करेंगे 1 मोमेंट में 2 मिनट का भी, क्या 30 सेकंड का भी करके निकल जाएंगे, वो इतना ऑथेंटिक होगा ना कि लोगों को आपकी बैक स्टोरी नहीं पता होती है, बट एक कंटिन्यूइंग इमोशन आपको दिख जाएगा लोगों को आप में, which will make your performance sincere and
Yes, and when there are no questions asked from the audience, no, the audience is already intrigued into it.
Yeah,
because their every question is answered, and now they just want to know the story. Yes. And that makes it beautiful.
So वही होता है कि do you want the audience to suggest the story to you, or you want to tell the story and then let the audience figure out questions?
Yes.
You be in the driving seat.
Yes.
Okay.
So
So this was a great session, Ankurji. Thank you very much. And any last words?
parting words.
Okay, last words would be, this is a great initiative. I did not know about this, but this is a great initiative. I've been following the page and I've watched a lot of monologues. I would again want to step in and tell you, suggest you one thing. As a very filmmaker, a theater person of today, enjoy the entire process. मतलब वो ऐसा दुखी हो के कैमरा के सामने मत आओ यार, बहुत दुख ऑलरेडी है आजू बाजू. Why would I like to see your why would I like to see your sad face? And again, summing this up, we have had a very bad sad news today.
Yeah.
So guys, you're all aspiring actors. This is not end of the world. I have been through a great horrible state of psychological this. Please seek help, talk to people, and it was very sad. It has taken a deep toll on me today. I was traveling, I went numb. We don't know what happened, but ending your life is not a solution. It is very precious. Keep doing these initiatives, and again, monologue would be a full thing to say what's there in your mind, no? Because you have an audience. Yeah. So I would not like to end this with a sad note, but yes, guys, please do not run away from seeking help. Taking help is no sign of being no sign of being, everyone's strong. Please, please. So and I would love to interact with you again. Anything, anytime, anywhere. ये तो भाई दोनों बैठे ही हैं, तो anytime, anywhere. So because I love this process. I've been into experimental play for 18, 19 years now, and I love this entire process. So right from doing a monologue to doing a commercial Marathi play, I've done everything. So I would love to be a part of you guys. So let me know.
I have had an idea.
Yeah.
That later on एक monologue हमारे लिए direct कर दीजिएगा.
बिल्कुल, मैं तो चाहता हूँ जैसे फ्रेम्स हैं, फ्रेम्स में मैंने 5 कैरेक्टर्स किए थे, वो सिर्फ women oriented थे. I would like to mix it up.
Yes, please do it. Let's make an online play.
Correct. So when frames, I will send it to you across, and you guys read those 5 monologues. They are 16 minutes each. Performance के लिए 16. And वो उसमें music होता था, उसमें सब foley effects होते थे, सब होता था.
So we can share the script with the 100 monologue.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. And there are also small videos on YouTube. If you can go and search Frames, Frames. Very small videos about Gitanjali performing or Mayura performing. आपको एक pattern समझ में आ जाएगा. And it was no set, just a door frame, which they used to move around the stage.
YouTube पे है ये.
Creating spaces. So there is glimpses of the play, but we'll enjoy watching that show.
Okay, definitely we'll watch it. We'll share it with the group, and let's do something. Let's do a play.
Yeah.
With
game's
all
on.
these actors. Yes, we'll talk about it later. So
Sure,
ending this, everyone unmute yourself and say thank you, Ankur sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
You're welcome. Anytime. See ya, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
And cut it.